One of the ways of encouraging it is to create pathways.
Now, Senegal have lodged an appeal at the Court of Arbitration for Sports over the decision to strip them of the Africa Cup of Nations title and hand the trophy to Morocco. The Swiss-based tribunal has confirmed. Senegal are hoping to overturn the decision by Africa's football governing body to strip them of the title after several of their players walked off the pitch protesting against a penalty awarded to Morocco during the AFCON final on January 18th, which the Senegalese side went on to win 1-0 in extra time. CAF announced on March 17th that it had upheld an appeal by the Royal Moroccan Football Federation, saying Senegal had infringed tournament regulations by walking off. As a result, it declared Senegal to have forfeited the match, turning their 1-0 victory to a 3-0 defeat, making hosts Morocco the champions.
Create jobs, that creates an industry, that gets the youth off the streets, that makes people